In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop loss on Tradovate. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding how to efficiently set a stop loss can make a big difference in managing your trades and safeguarding your investments. So, let's dive right into the process. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to Tradovate's platform. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll notice it's designed to provide a seamless trading experience. And today we're going to focus on leveraging this to our advantage. Now on the top right corner, there's a setting icon. Go ahead and click on it. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with these settings as they hold the key to customizing your trading preferences. After you've clicked the settings icon, you'll see various options, but for our purpose today, you need to ensure that the stop loss feature is enabled. Look for an option that says on and give it a click. This small action is vital because it activates the necessary tools you need to efficiently manage your trades. Next up, highlight the specific area where you want to make changes. This is generally straightforward, but keep an eye out for the exact spot, as it can be slightly nuanced if you're not accustomed to the platform's layout. By highlighting correctly, you're effectively setting your parameters for further customization. Once you've done that, you'll see an option that says Stop Loss Only. Click on this option. This step is important because it ensures that you're focusing on protecting your open positions without inadvertently altering other setting preferences that may not apply to what you're trying to achieve. Now the action really begins. Select Stop. This command signifies your intention to establish a stop loss, a strategic move that automatically prevents further losses beyond a predetermined threshold, allowing for peace of mind as you trade. Following this, you'll need to click on Stop Limit. The stop limit order is a more sophisticated version of the straightforward stop loss. It sets a stop price at which the order becomes executable, then limits the order's execution to a specified price or better. This is especially useful in volatile markets and can be the difference between a small loss and a devastating one. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the selections and you've verified everything is as you intend, click on Save. This step commits all the changes you've made in setting up the stop loss. It's always a good practice to double-check your entries before saving, to ensure everything is accurate. That's it. You've successfully set a stop loss on Tradovate. By following these steps, you've taken an important step in managing risk and safeguarding your trades. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.